Hello, 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 hello. Kind of in a rush, but wanted to do this because I really want to wear this out. As you all know, I got a Carrera Glassbox Panda last month. Let me spit my gum out before it turns into a thing. Okay, Carrera Glassbox Panda. I got one. I'll link the whole video. Yes, my wife surprised me with strap. For those that don't know, the lug width for the modern glass box that came out recently is 20.7 millimeters. It's kind of this like weird in between sizing where if you put a 20 mil strap on it, there's a little bit of space and you can't fit a 21. I actually tried and I scratched the inside of my lug, kind of made me a little upset. I apologize that this video feels rushed. I am about 20 minutes away from having to leave the house to go to my nephew's birthday party. Shout out to you, nephew. I love you. Happy birthday. This is how it came. FedEx package, buckle with the strap. Final price, $288.36. Good lord, that's expensive. You know, for a luxury, I kind of expected a little better packaging, but it is what it is. I enjoy the glass box with the bracelet so much. I think the whole reason why I was attracted to the Panda was because Tag released this watch with the bracelet. And for those that don't know, the bracelet that comes with the Panda works with all the other modern glass boxes that Tag released in recent time. They all work and they all fit. Got that off. Let's do the unboxing here. I went with the chestnut color, which is a more beige leather. I think there's one more sticker here. Yep. Take that off. Nice. Alright. Let's see how the color looks on this. I was actually going to upload a video talking about all potential third-party strap options for the glass box, but luckily, because of my wife, I won't have to do that anymore. Alright, first things first, I think what we do is we put that on there. There is a pin that came here, spring bar. Let's see if this one is the one that fits in here. Perfect. Okay, so this is the part that I was a tiny bit confused. Not sure how this all works. Line up the shields. Okay, that goes in here. Nice and tight. Wow. Quality of leather is pretty nice, I would say. Decent. Alright. Boom, boom. Come on, baby. Oh! Oh, it's a perfect fit. There you go. Boom. Check that out. Fantastic. Alright, so how do I attach this to here? Guessing I slide it through. Oh, okay, I see. I see what. Okay. I see how this works now. Alright, so you gotta put it in size it to where you want it, and then you close it down. It's actually quite genius. Okay, it took me a minute to figure out how to get the buckle to work. It's gonna completely destroy the leather once you clamp down on it, but you know. This is my tag Heuer Glassbox Carrera. On the official tag deployant strap, the rally strap that you get at tag. Yeah, this is a great look. I will include this in my full review when I release the full review of the Carrera. I appreciate y'all stopping by and checking out the strap. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. If you have any advice on where to get third-party straps for this watch, please let me know in the comments, just so that I can get a gauge of any other options that I could get, any more honestly cheaper options, because this strap was $288. Insane, but no regrets. It looks great. I gotta go. Happy birthday, nephew, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.